Today's industrial world sees the start of an exciting new era where connected machines represent a turning point in the way we achieve our productivity goals. Getting data in and out of devices and machines brings machine builders, users, and partners together with the same goal: become even more productive. Having connected machines means working in a safer and more sustainable way, optimizing asset usage and improving product quality. All these while reducing costs. Integrate the IoT solution in your daily process to anticipate potential risks. Take downtime to the minimum and push efficiency to the maximum. Access IoT Solution to have full control of your entire connected machine fleet. Easily, wherever you are, from any device. Your SCM machines are talking to you. IoT Solution helps you listening and make the right decisions. Let's see how. Monitor your machine's health, understand when to reduce idle time or avoid downtime, reaching your productivity goals while keeping your machines always running. In IoT Solution, you'll find a specific section where you can always keep track of your connected machine status. It's not just about maintenance, it's about mastering it. Say goodbye to reactive fixes, paper scheduling, and hello to proactive digital planning. With IoT Solution, you have all the tools you need to get on top of maintenance schedules and prevent downtime before it happens. You get notification on when to assign a specific task to your team members, saving lots of time. Troubleshooting has never been smoother. Navigate through maintenance procedures with intuitive how-to documents guiding you through each step effortlessly. And if you need a helping hand, open a service ticket in just one click. Our expert support team is always ready to assist. Navigate through analysis and reports to make smart, data-driven decisions. You can manage what you can measure. With IoT Solution key performance indicators, your machine fleet is ready to soar. IoT Solution is not just an IoT, it is the productivity booster.